The Bible tells us about the Last Supper, the feeding of the 5,000, King David showing kindness to Mephibosheth, Jesus making breakfast on the beach, and the story of Esther. What do these 5 Bible lessons have in common? All of them involve eating a meal, or in Esther's case, several meals, feasts, and banquets. I'm Nathan with Kids Enjoying Jesus, and I want to show you how to use paper plates, bowls, spoons, napkins, and stuff like that to play a Bible game with kids. This Bible game is a fun and easy way to review and reinforce Bible lessons like the Last Supper or any Sunday school lesson where people eat a meal. All you need is some paper or plastic place settings and some Bible questions. If you like this idea, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and check out kidsenjoyingjesus.com for more ideas to help you share the love and joy of Jesus with kids. I call this Bible game Set the Table because that's what the kids are going to do. After you've taught a Bible lesson where people eat, you can say something like, one way David showed God's kindness to Mephibosheth was by having him eat at the king's table. So, we're going to play a game and pretend to set the table for dinner with the king while we see how much you can remember about the Bible lesson. I'm going to ask questions about the Bible lesson, and if you get one right, you get to choose a plate, a bowl, a napkin, a spoon, or something else to help set your team's side of the table. But here's the deal. Each of these things is worth a different amount of points. I wrote down how much each one is worth ahead of time, but I'm not going to tell you how much each spoon, plate, bowl, or napkin is worth until the end of the game. So you have to set the table by guessing which stuff is worth the most points and putting those things on your team's side of the table. Let's get started. Once you've explained the game, divide the kids into teams and ask review questions about what they just learned in Sunday school or even family devotions. So the first kid answers a Bible question and might choose a big plate for his team side of the table. The next kid answers a Bible question and might choose a bowl for the other team and puts it on his side of the table. Then the other team might choose a napkin or whatever they want, and you just keep asking Bible questions back and forth between the teams and having them choose napkins, forks, big plates, small plates, plastic cups, spoons, or whatever else you have until you've asked all the questions. If they think the bowls are worth the most points, they might choose to set the table with extra bowls and not even have a plate or a fork for their team, and that's totally fine. Just let them set the table however they choose, and then, after all the questions are asked, you reveal, dun-da-dun, the super secret value of everything that you wrote down ahead of time and add the points up for each team. Now, as you can see, I made bowls worth 5,000 points. So the team that chose to set the table with extra bowls would probably win in this case. But you can make a new point value for everything each time you play, so this game is always a bit different. You can also add some color and pizzazz by using different styles of table settings. You can go to the dollar store and pick up some cheap party plates. For example, you could get superhero plates, unicorn plates, and even dinosaur plates to change up the theme and keep this game fresh and exciting. You can even play this game while you practice social distancing by just having all the items stacked where kids can see them. But when they answer the question, they say which item they want to set the table with, and you grab that item and set it on their team's side of the table so that there's less touching and less moving around. That's all there is to it. This game can be a simple way to dish up some extra fun while you review and reinforce Bible truths you've taught to kids in Sunday school, Good News Club, or Vacation Bible School. If you'd like more ideas for Bible games, you should download our free guide, 10 Quick and Easy Bible Games for Kids. It's got instructions and printables to help you play lots of easy Bible games with kids to review and reinforce what they're learning in children's church or family devotions. You can also find lots of Bible games in our book, Enjoying God, My Creator. It's full of play-based activities to help you teach kids in your home or church about God. And you can download a free digital copy at kidsenjoyingjesus.com. We've even put together a digital resource pack with printables for lots of the games in this book, so you can just print and play instead of making the pieces on your own. You don't have to purchase this printable pack to lead the games and activities in this book. You can make and play all of these games using stuff you probably already have at home, but the printable pack makes it a bit faster and easier to prep and teach these activities in family devotions or Sunday school for kids. There are links to all these resources, plus several more free children's ministry tools in the video description. So after you like this video and subscribe to our channel, go check them out at kidsenjoyingjesus.com. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.